So second law, Faraday's second law. So what is the Faraday's second law? When equal amount of electric charge is passed, is passed through electric charge is passed through different electrolytes electrolytes are electrolytic cells are connected in series. The weight of substances deposited at electrodes are in the ratio of their electro equivalent weights. So what is the meaning of this definition? I will explain by pictorial method. See here, I am taking three beakers. In the three beakers I am filling with the electrolytic substances. So electrolytes, I am filling with the electrolytes. Here is the electrolyte, and here is also it is electrolyte. So which electrolyte I am passing here? Here is the copper sulfate, aqueous copper sulfate, and here is the aqueous silver nitrate, and here it is the aqueous H2SO4. So I am connecting these three beakers in series manner, and I am here passing the electric current. That is, here I am passing the electric current. So when I pass the electric current, there is a deposition takes place on the here. If you take the plus and here it is a minus, there is an electron flow. So electrons flow, that means the deposition takes place at the cathode. That means at cathode what will happen? At cathode we know that previously that copper deposition takes place in the copper sulfate, and silver deposition takes place the silver place, and hydrogen gas is evaluated at this hydrogen gas is evaluated at this cathode. So here I can say weight of the copper is deposited. Copper is equals to WAG is equals to is a ratio with the W of the hydrogen is equals to equivalent weight of is equals to equivalent weight of copper is to equivalent weight of silver and equivalent weight of hydrogen. So equivalent weight of the hydrogen. So in general if you write in general if you write the W1 by E1 is equals to W2 by E2 is equals to W3 by E3 dash. This is the Faraday's second law. So if you take the two electrodes, if you take the two electrolytic solutions, that means weight of the deposited solution, electrolytic solution 1 by equivalent weight of that solution is equals to the weight of the solution taken by the equivalent weight of the another solution. From the first law, Faraday's first law, Faraday, that is the first law of Faraday. Faraday, that is W is directly proportional to Q, and W is equals to Z into Q, W is equals to Z into IT. So this is a small t, time taken. So here if you write the W is equals to W1 is equals to Z1Q and W2 is equals to Z2Q. So here W1 by E1 is equals to W2 by E2 can be rewritten as Z1 by E1 is equals to Z2 by E2. So here Z1 is Z is equals to if you take the E is directly proportional to Z. From this we can write it as E is directly proportional to E is directly proportional to Z. E is directly proportional to Z, and E is equals to Z into F, and Z into F, that is Faraday, Z is equals to E by F. Z is equals to E by F. F is the Faraday's, so F is equals to Faraday. F is the Faraday's. 1 Faraday is equals to 96,500 coulombs of charge. So Z is equals to E by F. So Z is equals to E by 96,500 coulombs. From Faraday's first law, Z into Q, that is equals to E by 96,500 coulombs into Q. W is equals to E by 96,500 coulombs into IT. This is the relationship between the weight of the substance deposited is equal to the equivalent weight by I into T.